and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 4 Cumulative Insurance Claim PC and Mac. We will go to my Liability Pearson portal and we will go to Excel Chapter 4 and click on Excel Chapter 4 Cumulative Insurance Claim Assignment. We will click on this assignment will be open. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat and we will deal for this complete Liability Pearson course. I can do all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft PowerPoint, all Microsoft Access and all Microsoft Word. I will do your complete course with A+ grade. You will be free from this course. I will handle your complete course with A+ grade. Each and everything I will do myself. All simulation training, all simulation exam, all cumulative assessment and capstone assessment and final exam with A+ grade. So Excel Chapter 4 Cumulative Insurance Claim will be open. We will click on download material button, click on download all file button. All files will be downloaded in our PC download folder. I can do all other online courses like MyLab, Accounting, MyLab, Finance, MyLab, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development and many more online courses. If you need help in any course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. First, we will open our instruction file, Word file. So, click on Enable Editing button. The title of assignment is here, Exp22 Excel Chapter 4 Cumulative Insurance Claim. Okay. Under this project description to get idea about your project. So moving on instructions. Question number 1 of this assignment is here. Start Excel, download and open the file named Exp22 Excel Chapter 4 Cumulative Insurance. Excel as grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson Liability Dashboard portal. So I'm going to opening my Excel workbook. You can see here, click on Enable Editing button. So moving on, question number 2 of this assignment. Okay, so question number 2 is that I have a light fast. Freeze the pane so the first row containing column heading row 6 and first two columns A and B on the insurance claim worksheet will remain static when scrolling. The first point of this question is that freeze the pane so that first containing column heading row 6 and first two column A and B. We will go to our Excel workbook. We will click on cell C7. Go to the view tab. In the window group, click on freeze pane button. Click on freeze panes. Okay, you can see this is done. Worksheet remain will static when scrolling. So moving on, next question is question number 3. Convert the data to a table. Name the table insurance claims and then apply the light green table style light 21. The first point of this question, we will convert the data to a table. Okay. We will go to the insert tab in the tables group, click on table button. So click on OK button. This data will be converted into a table. The name of table insurance claims. The name of table is insurance claims. We will have to assign the name of table. Go to the table design tab. In the properties group, click on table name box and we will assign the name to insurance claims. Press enter. So table name will be changed insurance claim and apply the light green table style light 21. Light green table style light 21. Okay, we will go to the table design tab and we will go to the light green table light 21. Okay, I have applied this. So question number 4, remove duplicate record. We will go to the table design tab in the tools group, click on remove duplicate button, click on OK button. So click on OK. 3 duplicates value found and remove 206 unique value remain. Click on OK button. So moving on question number 5. In question number 5, add a new column to a table named duration. We will have to add a new column in the table. The name of column is duration. Okay. We will enter the name duration in column K. Press enter. So the next point is question number 6. Create a formula using unqualified structure references to calculate the days required to resolve the incident date resolved minus date created and apply general number format. Okay, we will go to column K and we will insert a formula using unqualified structure references. Press is equal to enter date resolved minus date created and press enter. Okay, it will be show duration in column. Okay, it will be show duration in column K and apply general number format. We will set column K. Okay, and we will go to the home tab. In the number group, we will open number dialog box and we will apply general number format. So the next question is question number 7. In question number 7, add a total row to display the average days required to complete a claim. We will have to add a total row to display the average days required to complete a claim. We will go to the table design tab. In the table style options group, click on total row checkbox. Okay, so it will be show average days required to complete a claim. To display average days required to complete a claim, we will go to the duration column. So right click on this arrow and we will select average. Okay, it will be show average days required to complete a claim. So the next question is question number 8. I have done 7 questions of this assignment so far. Question number 8 of this assignment is here. You can see total question of this assignment is 14. I have done 8 questions in my video. If you need complete solution of this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. You can easily contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do your complete my Liability Pearson course with A plus grade. I will do your complete Microsoft Excel, complete Microsoft Word, complete Microsoft Access, and complete Microsoft PowerPoint. I will do your all simulation training, all cumulative assessment, all capstone assessment, and midterm and final exam with A plus grade. You will be free from this course. So I have done this complete assignment for my student. I will upload on my portal and you will see my grade, how much I got grade in this assignment. If you do not able to do this assignment or you are busy with your jobs or other activities in your life and you don't have any time for this complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete course for you with A plus grade. And I am also handling other online courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Math, MyLab Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development, and many more other online courses. So now I will upload this assignment on my portal and you will see how much I got. You can see this is complete. I have done this complete assignment for my student. Now I'm going to save this file on my PC folder. Okay, desktop. You can see on my laptop screen I have done this complete assignment for my student. Now I am going to upload this file on my Liability Pearson portal and you will see how much grade I will got in this assignment. Go to my Liability Pearson portal. We will click on upload file and submit for grading. We will select this file on desktop folder, click on open button, so click on upload button. Okay, it's uploading and it will show grade soon. Okay, click on continue button. So you can see I have got 100% grade out of 100. I did not show complete assignment in my video, but I just show you 8 questions in my video. If you need help complete solution of this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with a plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.